Hey, what is up YouTube? LandoTech here, and in this video, I'll be talking to you about the importance of using a VPN on your streaming device. If you're using IPTV or streaming content from an unofficial app on your Google TV, you're being watched, your IP address is exposed, your activity is logged, and depending on the apps you're using, you could even get flagged by your ISP, or worse. That's why using a VPN isn't just smart, it's essential. It encrypts your traffic, hides your location, and unlocks geo-blocked content from anywhere in the world, all while keeping your activity private. Today, I'll show you exactly how to install and use NordVPN on your Google TV to protect yourself and stream freely. To start, pan over to the App Store. Then, scroll down to the search box and search for NordVPN. Click NordVPN. Then click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Open. Then, click Login. You'll be presented with a QR code. Use your smartphone to scan the QR code. It will bring you to the NordVPN login page. Once you've entered your login information, you'll be presented with a 4-digit code on your TV. Enter that code into your phone. NordVPN will then finalize your login on your TV. Once you're logged into NordVPN, you have the choice of doing a quick connect by connecting to a short list of popular servers that they suggest for you at the bottom. Or you can pan over to the left, click the Countries tab, and run through a list of countries sorted in alphabetical order. Connecting to a server in a specific country will trick the sites you visit and the apps you use into thinking that you're located in that specific country, which is perfect if you want to watch that one movie or show that's only available outside of your own country. Once you've decided on the server that you want to connect to, click on it, and NordVPN will begin connecting to it. The reason I chose a US server is because I'm located outside of the US, and DirecTV has a free streaming service that it offers only in the US. So by choosing a US server, I now have access to all that free DirecTV content. If you want me to walk you through how you can access free DirecTV channels, watch this video right here.